Google, the largest search engine optimization in the world. How many times do you spend your time on Google? Everybody in the world is on Google and everybody are searching for different things on Google. Once in a while, we are always on Google searching for different things and looking for different things. We always find ourselves in our phones scrolling now and then. How many seconds do you spend on Google? How many minutes do you spend on your phone searching from different things? How about making some extra income from that? How about making $100 from Google? How about making $10 from Google? Welcome to the Money Making Show, and today on this video my name is Dennis. What I want to share with you is a simple system whereby you can make $50 to $3,000 with Google by just copying and pasting. All you need to do is just copy and paste. You don't need any technical skills, you don't need to invest anything. All you need to understand is read English and listening. What did I say again? Copy and paste. Stay tuned and let me just jump straight into my laptop. Be blessed. Get paid to write 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Right, so I just want to give you a warning before we get started on this. Actually, what you need here is you just don't need any skills. You need to know how to write, and I'll be giving you a bonus at the end of this video. So I want you to stick around up to the end so that you may get a free bonus, so that you may not spend a whole time trying to type a lot of stuff. All you just need to do is write very easy, and it's just a copy and paste technique that you can use, and you can see get paid to write 101 sites that pay you 50 to 3,000 per blog post. So I'm going to be sharing with you this site, and this site is where you can be able to make $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Then at the end of this video, what you're going to do is I am going to be sharing with you a simple technique whereby all you can just do is copy and paste and make good money. And if right now, as I'm shooting this video, we are on the corona period, and if you're in quarantine, this could be a very good side gig, because we have a lot of passions. People always have different passions, and in this video that's the exact thing that I'm going to be walking you through. So let me share with you the website, and this is the website. This is the website here whereby you can get access to writing and posting a blog post. You can just imagine getting paid $50 to $3,000 for just posting an article. And what I want to do here is I want to make this very easy for you. I'll be showing you a copy and paste technique to use using Google. That's why I said make $3,000 using Google. And you can see on this site you can make money, you can save money, and there's Freebase. And also this is a make money site also. It has different things that you can go through them, but what I want you to do is I want you to focus on just one thing that I'm going to be showing you here, because it will be very simple for you to crack it and start making that money. So which site is this? This site is known as this site is known as Money Pantry, right? Money Pantry. And Money Pantry, welcome to Money Pantry. Let's see, what does Money Pantry do? You can go on Google, search Money Pantry and check out what Money Pantry does. But the main stuff here, if you want to make money, you can see 81 legit ways to earn money online, 150 legitimate work from home jobs, hiring now, 49 highly paying online surveys, sites to earn extra cash. I'll be doing a video on how you can use Money Pantry also to fill in surveys and get paid from $50 to $100 each and every day. That's amazing, right? So let me jump into why I'm sharing with you this video, because all I want you to focus on is this: get paid to write 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000. Let me highlight this: $50 to $3,000 per blog. So we have different passions, and I said you have different passions, and you have your own voice that you can put outside there. You have your own content. There is something that you love. So what happens is, and the reason why I really love this site is because of one thing: they give you variety of things to write. You are not limited to one thing. You can just choose to write about anything that you are passionate about. So you can see here, get paid to blog about anything. And let me just go through some of the topics that you can get paid to write and how much are they paying you. Sites that pay you to write about vacation and travel. So if you're this person who is very passionate about vacationing, traveling, and seeing the world, this you can see transition abroad, $150 per post. And let's read: transition abroad focus is on people who travel regardless of the reason: work, education, retirement, volunteering, etc. They pay around $150 for travel related articles. And guys, an article just needs around 450 words to 500 words. And I want you to do this. Stick around, stick with me guys, stick around up to the end, because I'm giving you the bonus on how to really just copy and paste an article and just submit, and that's how you can really get paid using Google for just copying and paste, whereby you don't need to spend a whole days, hours writing articles so that you may submit a lot of articles. And you can imagine, if you're being paid $150 per post, how many posts do you want to make? It is limitless. It's you to decide. Wanderlust, $200 per post. I won't go through everything. As you're going through everything, you can just choose which one do you want to partner with, and you can choose your interest. So sites that pay you to write about general interests, you can see Vibrant Life. And this on general interest, this is what gets my attention, because all I can think is, what am I really good at? Am I really good at cracking jokes? Actually, they also have a site where by writing how to crack jokes, you can be paid this amount, $100 to $300. The content that I'm providing in this video, do this: go down, hit the subscription button below, and also do me a favor, drop where you're tuning in from so that I may provide more content based on your region. Hit the subscription button below, and with that, let's get back to the content. Per post, you can see the war cry 0.35 per word. So you can imagine how many words do you want to write. And stick around up to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you a ninja technique that you can use, and all you just need to do is copy and paste. Sites that pay you to write about short stories, if you're a good storyteller, this is for you. Sites that pay you to write about politics, news, and entertainment. All right, so just stop scrolling on Google, on social media, and just looking at the politics things, the entertainment, what Tekashi is doing, what Nikki is doing. But also, as you look at that, you can monetize that by writing articles, by writing blogs. And I want you to specialize on articles, because they'll be very, very fast for you to write. And all I'll do is show you a technique that you can use to copy and paste. So stay up to the end. And also today, also I want to give you a bonus also up to the end. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make residual out or passive income. Passive income, this is money that comes in when you're asleep, when you like it or not. So stick around with me. Sites that pay you to write jokes. I told you, you can also get paid on sites that pay you to write jobs. So this is another one. Sites that pay you to write about education. If you're passionate about education, you can be writing, and that's how people make money online. So how are you able now to copy and paste this strategy and use this to really monetize your writing, monetize your posting? This is like posting. This is getting paid to getting paid to post. Let's look at some of the interest also. Sites that pay you to write about business and money, e-commercial insight. Like if you're a person like me, you want to write articles on how to make money online, you can write these articles and you can come here, post and submit. So here is my killer strategy. Here's my killer strategy on how you can really do this as fast as possible. Right now, I'm sure you're wondering, hey man, maybe I don't know how to write the articles. I've never written an article. I don't know if I'll be able to write these articles. All those excuses, I want to solve everything for you right now immediately. So what I want you to do is I want you to go on Quora. Quora is a site whereby it's a question and answer site. Any question that you can answer on Quora, someone is able to come and give you an answer. So there's two ways you can do this. The first way is you can just come and type here. You can see here I typed relationship articles, right? When you type relationship articles, it brings you different articles, and all you can look is, like for example, this is a whole blog, right? This is a whole blog that has been written about relationship, and this is an amazing topic. So you can go back here and you can go back here on this site, right? Money Pantry, and check which topic do you want to write about. Like for example, relationship will fit on, let's see, sites that pay you to write about general interests, right? And this is how you make money, guys. You come here on Quora and take at this topic. Look at this topic. This is a very good, interesting topic. How is social media changing family relationships? And that's a general topic that you can write about. And this guy has written a very good, this is an article, right? This is an article. He has written a very good article explaining why relationships are, why social media is changing family relationships. So here's the, stick around guys, because at the end also I'm still going to be giving you an amazing bonus on how you can make passive income. And then I'm actually now diving into the killer technique on how you can simplify this and do it. I call it an autopilot strategy. And also I've been able to use this even in writing my research papers, even in writing, I'm doing my Masters of Science in Marketing. I've been able also to use this writing my marketing scripts and a lot of things. So what you want to do here, because I want you to pay attention to this, this will not work on Firefox, right? It will not work on Firefox. All you need to use is Google Chrome. That's what you need to use, Google Chrome. So when you go to Google Chrome, what you want to do is, when you've gone to Google Chrome, what you want to do is search Google Docs, right? Google Docs. When you search Google Docs, you'll have a page like this. And when you have a page like this, what happens is you go to the docs here, you click on docs, right? So you go to Google Docs here, click here. After clicking there, you come to the blank site whereby you'll be editing your article. I want to warn you something. Don't just come and copy and paste. Don't just come and copy. Yes, I'm telling you it's a copy pasting strategy. Yes, you'll copy this, but don't paste it just the way it is. You want to just amend some of the things according to your wording and just put some different taste on it, because if you just exactly copy and paste and drop it the way it is, that will be plagiarism, all right? And plagiarism is one of the biggest crime in academics. So what you can do is come copy paste and then come on Google. This will not even take time. Yesterday I did this and I took like only 10-30 minutes to write an ebook that I was writing. Come to Google Docs and then click on the black, right? Click on the black whereby you're editing a new document. And then now this is where it gets sweeter, right? This is where it gets sweeter. And I'll just show you a live demo and how you can do it, so that as soon as you go and start doing this, you may not lose it all when you've learned all of this information. Go to tools, click on tools, and then go to here, tools, go to voice typing. This blew up my mind, guys. This blew up my mind, because all you can do here is just click here and speak and it will be writing itself. So let's go back to Quora and let's see how we can re-edify this. Nowadays, people are being physically set apart from each other by technology. So you can come back here on your Google Chrome and say, technology in the recent era is breaking apart different families. People are being separated from each other, and that's why relationships are becoming more tough. And your full stop. How cool is this, guys? And how, right? As soon as you continue speaking, it still writes itself, right? How cool is this? And how many seconds, how many minutes can you spend doing this? So let me go back and read another sentence. Industrialization era, this is what I'm reading. Industrialization era leaves a gigantic impact on human life. We are kept in an hastening living pace with no way out there. Therefore, we have no choice to keep in touch with other but using social media. I come back here on my Google Docs, right? So, hey guys, stick around up to the end. I'm going now at the end. I'm actually ending this video after this, and I'll be showing you an amazing way on how you can make what we call passive income. You can work with me on a one-on-one basis on a mentorship program that I'm having. So, on that other paragraph, they're talking about how social media has been able how social media has been able to help people communicate, because we are in the industrial age. That's very simple. Social media has been able to impact different lives because we are in the era of industrialization. The only method that most of the people have is communicating through social media. But that is not the best way to do, because we are social beings and we need to be together. Boom, perfect. You already have your article written, and you can see I already wrote these things by just speaking, and this will not even take long. This will not take long. All right, so that's the end of the video, guys, and here's my bonus. If you're here and you really want to make sustainable income, this is money that comes in when you're in the beach playing. This is money that comes in when you're traveling, and this is what I call leverage. This is money that comes in into your bank account when you want it or you don't want it. The money that comes in when you're asleep, this is what I call passive income. I am doing a one-on-one session, I am doing a mentorship session, and I'll be taking you through different steps on which products you can launch, how you can start your own business, and how you can really grow to make 6 figures. This is only money that can just not keep you for a very long time. And hey, if you want to get access to that, make sure to check. There is a link in the comments below. Check on that link, fill the survey in below. There's some few questions that I'll be asking you to see if you're qualified to work on my mentorship program. So just go down, check the first link whereby I'm talking about my #1 recommended way to make money online. Click on that link, fill in the survey, and hey, let me know where you're tuning in from in the comments below, so that I may know the kind of videos that I can create to help you make money in your country. And also remember, if you've loved this video, if you've loved the content that I've dropped, make sure to always drop a comment below, drop a like, and the main thing is subscribe to the channel so that you may not miss any of my videos on how to make money online. Be blessed, have a good time. Let's meet on the next video.